I have been watching some small RV trailer review videos.
Uh-oh. Those of you that don't know this about Andrew, he has a slight compulsive buying. What would you call it?
I have impulse control issues
Yes.
when it comes to big ticket items.
He's looking for something, I'm sure, to pull with his Cybertruck that he'll be getting in 2 years.
Yeah. I still have intentions of converting that cargo trailer to a poor man's toy hauler.
Oh, yeah.
I put a fold down bed in the back so I can load up a motorcycle and then be able to camp.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
That'd be it's a nice little trailer.
Yeah.
Nice little trailer.